Verse number 37.
These are also pupil of the Imam.
Yes.
Very sincere pupil.
Huzur, his question is going to be based on verse number 37 of Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter number 2 of the Holy Quran. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. فَأَذَلَّهُمَا الشَّيْطَانُ عَنْهَا فَأَخْرَجَهُمَا مِمَّا كَانَا فِيهِ وَقُلْ اهْبِطُوا بَعْضُكُمْ لِبَعْضٍ عَدُوٌّ وَلَكُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ مُسْتَقَرٌّ وَمَتَاعٌ إِلَىٰ حِينٍ. The translation is, but Satan caused them both to slip by means of it and drove them out of the state in which they were. And we said, go forth, some of you are enemies of others, and for you there is an abode in the earth and a provision for a time.
حضور في أي مكان كانوا فيه حين قال الله تعالى فأخرجهما مما كانوا فيه.
He wants to know the place where they were residing after which this verse was revealed.
They were not residing in the heaven, in the paradise above, whatever it is, because that's only a foolhardiness of mullahs to consider that they were thrown down from paradise to earth. It is only referred to the Sharia. As long as the law of Sharia is not broken, people live in paradise. And when the law of Sharia is broken once, then they are told to leave that peace which God has granted them and go to earth and earthly people and have your fights in between as you like. So this only means that, and not the paradise of the heaven.